In a world filled with screens and digital distractions, have you ever stopped to wonder about the health of your eyes? Are you aware of the toll that excessive screen time and unhealthy habits can take on your precious vision? Fear not, for nature has provided us with solutions. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover 7 miraculous herbs that not only protect our eyes, but also have the power to repair our vision. Let's delve into the wonders of nature's pharmacy together and take a step towards healthier eyesight. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications for more insightful content. Number 1. Bilberry. Bilberry, with its vibrant color and potent anthocyanins, stands as a stalwart defender of eye health. Its antioxidant properties neutralize harmful free radicals, safeguarding ocular tissues from damage. Studies suggest bilberry enhances night vision, improves blood flow to the eyes, and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Bilberry's rich flavonoid content strengthens capillaries, reducing the likelihood of conditions associated with weakened blood vessels. Its multifaceted approach makes bilberry a cornerstone in natural eye care. Number 2. Ginkgo Biloba. Known for its cognitive benefits, Ginkgo Biloba also supports eye health by enhancing blood circulation. By ensuring optimal nutrient delivery to ocular structures, it mitigates the risk of conditions related to compromised circulation, such as glaucoma. Its antioxidant properties protect against oxidative stress, benefiting overall eye vitality. Studies have indicated Ginkgo Biloba's potential to enhance visual field damage in individuals with normal tension glaucoma, showcasing its comprehensive support for eye health. Number 3. Saffron. The crimson threads of saffron harbor potent antioxidant properties, thanks to its crocin and other carotenoids. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, combating oxidative stress implicated in various eye conditions. Studies suggest saffron's efficacy in age-related macular degeneration and inflammatory eye disorders like uveitis, making it a valuable ally in preserving vision. Furthermore, saffron's anti-inflammatory effects extend to modulating pathways involved in inflammatory eye disorders, offering holistic support for ocular health. Number 4. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, shines as a beacon of anti-inflammatory prowess. By modulating inflammatory pathways, it alleviates conditions like dry eye syndrome and diabetic retinopathy. Turmeric's antioxidant properties safeguard retinal cells from oxidative stress, offering protection against age-related macular degeneration. Moreover, research indicates curcumin's potential to alleviate symptoms and reduce inflammation in conditions affecting the ocular surface, enhancing overall eye comfort and health. Number 5. Rosemary. Rich in antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, rosemary shields ocular tissues from oxidative stress and inflammation. Its impact on blood circulation promotes nutrient delivery to the eyes, supporting their vitality. Rosemary's cognitive-enhancing effects indirectly contribute to eye health by reducing eye strain during visual tasks. The aromatic compounds in rosemary have been linked to improved focus and concentration, further aiding in maintaining healthy eyesight amidst modern digital lifestyles. Number 6. Dandelion. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, dandelion nourishes the eyes and supports low light and color vision. Its carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin accumulate in the retina, offering protection against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Dandelion's detoxifying properties aid in maintaining clear vision by eliminating toxins from the body. Furthermore, its diuretic effects promote hydration and electrolyte balance, essential for optimal eye function and overall well-being. Number 7. Fennel. Containing vitamin A, antioxidants, and flavonoids, fennel fortifies ocular defenses against oxidative stress. Its beta-carotene content supports retinal health, while antioxidants combat cellular damage, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. By incorporating antioxidant-rich herbs like fennel into our diets, we can bolster our eye health naturally. Fennel's nutritional profile includes essential minerals like potassium and calcium, contributing to overall eye vitality and ensuring the proper functioning of ocular tissues. As we wrap up our exploration of these 7 remarkable herbs for eye health, remember the importance of a balanced lifestyle in tandem with herbal supplementation. Prioritize proper nutrition, regular exercise, and ample rest to maintain optimal eye health. Don't miss out on future insights. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more enriching content. Thank you for joining us on this journey through natural remedies for healthier eyesight.